God damn it, I want to watch.
Come on.
Oh my God.
It's a 2-point difference.
As they yourself, Ty. Kill yourself now.
Ty Dillon, he's gonna make the pass.
Oh my God.
You're in the number 3. This is the perfect opportunity.
He's got second. 1 point.
Oh God. Oh, he's gonna get wrecked. Look at
You
that.
better hope Cowboys wins.
Come on, Kyle.
Watch Kyle.
How many laps to
Oh my
go?
God, Kyle Larson, YOLO.
How many laps to go?
3. Oh God.
3?
Come on.
Oh,
He's gonna get wrecked. Like 5th and 3rd.
Who, Kyle Larson?
Kyle Larson, if you do not pass Ty Dillon, I'm going to hurt you.
Oh my God.
James Busher.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, he did it. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That was all Ty Dillon's fault.
Shit.
That was all his fault.
Yes.
Busher made it through.
Yes.
Red flag.
That was all Ty Dillon's fault. And I was surprised to be
I can't believe I just
I
witnessed
thought it
that.
was joking at first, and I looked up and see Kyle Larson just, his whole ass in.
I don't give a crap that Kyle Larson's done.
Yes!
2 weeks in a row. He gets caught up in a mess.
Screw
Oh,
you,
God.
Ty
That
Dillon.
Martinsville too.
That
It's
is
just been a
all
terrible
Dillen's
end of the
fault.
season for
That is all his
this
fault.
young man.
He
And you can
choked.
see Ryan Blaney hard.
2, Johnny Sauter, Joey
Oh,
Coulter.
yeah,
Behind
duh.
them, row 3.
Duh.
Miguel Fuller.
Wow.
Fuck if
All
I
right,
know.
let's see
Yeah,
how quick
because
they can pile up this time.
PK did like
I wish
the
I could
last
find my
lap.
road.
The green white checkers.
First attempt.
Yeah, before like
Hey, look,
Hey guys,
That's
guys, on that VSR poll, if they tie, should we just go to Las Vegas?
Yeah.
Do
it.
Here we go.
And you talked about Pluto. He's looking to the inside.
Let's
Look at Johnny Sauter
go.
going
I
up
don't
the
even
middle,
know
trying to
who.
get between
Let's go.
Cowboys is gone.
Yeah,
Let's have the big one. Just everyone
Oh
up.
my God.
Go,
Go, Pluto.
Speaking of Daytona restart, okay, we're 5 wide. 5
We
wide.
are
Okay,
on
okay, Ty Dillon, just be like that.
Oh, look at Ty. Going on that apron. That apron.
I ain't waiting for nobody.
What's Ty Dillon doing?
He's on that apron.
In the 2012 season.
Oh, look out.
Turn 4, he drove right up on the tailgate.
Cale Gale looks
Ty-
Look
Ty
at
Dillon
oh!
won a truck race
Cale
this year?
Gale.
racetrack.
Oh my God, go! Go!
Come on, Kale. Get to the bar. There we go. Oh, they're side by side.
Holy shit, who is that? Is that?
That is,
YOLO!
that is
YOLO! Come on, YOLO! YOLO! YOLO!
Alabama.
YOLO, 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 YOLO,
Yo,
YOLO, YOLO,
Kyle
YOLO,
Larson.
YOLO.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Cale's gonna be so mad!
No,
He's
what's
gonna be
wrong?
so mad!
That was
Oh my
the
God!
That
Oh
was
my God!
We got wrecks everywhere.
Kyle's gonna be so mad!
2003
Oh.
Darlington, right there.
You know what's fucked
Right
up?
Holy
there.
Race
Oh
truck
my
went
God.
away from the fucking battle up front as soon as they got to fucking turn 4.
Look at the left front tire.
That was freaking close.
Cale Gale's truck.
He was squeezing
He
got
cut the
Kyle
tire
into
on
the
Kyle's
wall to
truck.
slow that
Oh
momentum.
my God.
That was
James
race
Happy.
of the year.
Your 2012 NASCAR Camping World
That's
Busher?
What the hell is that?
is James Busher.
Oh,
Congratulations.
decoration
to
should be.
whole
That
31
was
team.
That was
awesome.
amazing.
That's what you do. You put the fucker in the wall.
Congratulations to them. Congratulations to Cale Gale. What a great
That
job
had
winning this
that had
race.
to have
They
been.
Look
showed
at Jack
racing gets
Painter.
both
He
his
didn't
trucks
deserve that win. What are you talking about? That was amazing.
At Homestead.
How about a 9th first winner?
Oh my God.
First-time winner. Incredible. 16th different.
James Busher's out there just like, yeah,
God.
still have your chance.
That happened.
Who did he have
That
to
happened.